Hi, this is S.Selvi from Government Primary School, Bagapet. I am from Puducherry.
What was that moment which triggered in you the need of an innovation for teaching the children? Please share 2 lines.
I was very worried about my children not coming to school regularly, and they are not punctual, they are not completing their homeworks, and they are not well disciplined. And the other side, when I put a star in the notebook, they were feeling very happy. So that gave me the idea.
And what is the new novelty in your innovation as per you?
And I started giving them stars for all the good things they do. If they come to school regularly, I gave them a star. If they are punctual, I gave them a star. Like if they didn't waste food, I gave them a star. For completing all homeworks, I gave them a star. Like that, started to give stars. At the end, the person who gets more number of stars was awarded as a star of the month, and I gave them a smiley badge and a small gift for them.
And when did you feel sure that your innovation has successfully made a difference to the students?
After the activity, the students were very much systemized. They started to come regularly to school. They avoided taking leave unnecessarily, and they were punctual. They came neat and tidy. They completed all their homeworks, and the whole they got a very interest in learning. Thank you.